Oh.
Time to get serious.
Time to get serious!
Let's practice. In the following activity, choose the verb that is appropriate. The cost of a ticket to see a Trevor Noah show has risen. What's the answer? Time's going. Time's up, and the answer is risen. The cost has risen. Has the popularity of video games risen? What's the answer? You decide. Time's up. Has the popularity of video games risen? The answer is risen. They have risen the price of eggs, but you can use this coupon. What's the answer? Is it raised or risen? Time is going. Time. Time's up, and the answer is raised. They have raised. They have raised what? They have raised the price. Let's try this one. The winning captain raised the trophy in the air. Time starts now. What's the answer? Time's up. What's the answer? The answer is raised. The captain raised the trophy in the air. Trophy is the thing that receives the action. How about this one? The helium-filled balloon rose into the air before bursting with a bang. Time is going. What's the answer? The answer is rose. The helium-filled balloon rose into the air. Has the number of traffic fatalities risen? Time starts now. And the answer is risen. His tight-fisted employer was unwilling to raise his salary. What's the answer? Time starts now. And the answer is raise. His tight-fisted employer was unwilling to raise his salary. Raise what? Raise his salary. While fishing, I saw a crocodile slowly raise out of the mud. What's the answer? Time is going. The answer is rise. Slowly rise out of the mud. When Daniel's temperature started to rise, his parents rushed him to the hospital. What's the answer for this? I'm sorry, the his is being hidden by the hourglass right there. I apologize. What's the answer? Time is going. The answer is rise. Has the price of gasoline risen? Time starts now. And the answer is time's up. The answer is risen. Has the price of gasoline risen? The campers rose early to start their hike. What's the answer for this one? Is it raised or rose? You decide. The time starts now. Time is up. And the answer is rose. The answer is rose. Nacho raises his hand to answer the question. What's the answer? Rises or raises? Time starts now. And the answer is raises. Nacho raises his hand. Great job, guys!